J Park himself.
Sir White.
J Park himself.
Sir White. Man, you're not looking bad.
Yeah, bro. Same as you.
Let's chill out with something very good. You know the kind of drink I used to. I don't take beer anymore. I'm a champagne type.
Yeah, I know.
Come on. So, do you have this drink?
Chabo.
Yes, God bless the Chabo. I used to call it chandelier, but it's Chabo. Wow.
You know, we took it last week.
At the club, right?
Yeah, the club. When I came back, yeah.
You know.
J Park himself.
That is Chabo.
I know this is what you like doing.
You know, I don't like taking all this backyard drink. I used to. Whenever you take the drink, finish.
You give your
You will be selling your properties for
treatment.
to cure kidney problem. But this one is confirmed.
Yeah, I understand.
This Chabo is confirmed.
It's a very nice drink.
Yes.
Yes.
One love, prosperity, good health,
And success.
more money in our account.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, J-Prime.
Who am I seeing? Triple Chief. Triple Chief.
Longest time.
Man.
So why? When did you come back?
Just last week I came back.
How was everything?
The money is ready.
You're welcome. You're really welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
So Triple Chief, how is everything?
Well, thank God.
What do we go for?
Shabu sparkling wine.
Yeah, get a Chabo. Give me champagne and
Triple Chief.
Red wine.
Triple Chief.
Red wine.
How do you come across this lovely young man?
They're my brand though.
I am taking Chabo, you're taking Chabo.
Very good one. Even my babe rocks Chabo also.
Wow.
They reserve. Yeah, good.
You know,
It's a nice fruity wine. Very, very good. Yeah. Since I've been taking it, I don't complain.
Pass his nose. This is the kind of drink I've been taking.
Wow.
And it's very good. It's very good. At least it's undiluted. Yeah. It's not like all those all this wine they made on that beach.
No. Those under bridge stuffs.
I love this one.
Can't take them anymore. If not Chabo.
Nothing else.
That's my brand for past 6 months.
It's a good one. You know, I am the ambassador.
Really?
Chabo wines is culture. Very good for health.
Supply it.
Wow, we represent them. I deal on drinks and Chabo. I represent Chabo here in Nigeria. Like it has this rose, it has a semi-sweet red, the one you're taking. It has a reserve red wine. There's a brut. Come, do you have the brut here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I have it?
This is the brut.
Yeah, this is the brut, J-Park. You can see the Chabo brut. So have a look of it and
Let me see.
It's a nice drink. Brut.
Nice.
This is rose. That's a demi-sec.
Yeah.
This is a reserved red wine.
Red wine.
In
And
that
this
case,
is semi-sweet.
if truly you are the ambassador of this very lovely drink, give me your number.
080
Okay.
675 344 35.
Okay.
You can call on us.
No.
Yeah, we'll deal on it.
You deal on
We'll
it?
deal on it. We are
Seriously?
I'm the ambassador of Chabo.
I am planning to open my mansion this festive.
Wow, you put a new home.
Yes. Yes. And you know what? The thing just as if it was planned.
Class,
Well, I've not bought anything.
Chabo Sparkling Wine is a very big family since 1822. You can see we have Chabo Reserved Red Wine, we have Chabo Semi-Sweet Red Wine, and then we have the Demi-Sec, that's the rose, and we have the Brut, the big champagne. It's a very big drink. Who tastes Chabo will know what living big is all about. It's good for your body, it doesn't have after effect. I urge you to enjoy the superior taste of true craftsmanship and enduring heritage.